board looking? Love it. How was the swell today? Super pitted, 10 to 15 easily. I saw Mike bust a couple 540s.
Yeah, little 540s.
Little
Only
ones.
front side.
Super rad.
Can't get their back side 540 down yet.
Some more B-roll footage. Hey Slade, where are we going?
Going to
Coco Loco? Coco Loco, getting a little breakfast. Where's Mike right now? Mike, you're missing out, buddy. You're missing out on all of this. Wake up and come join us. We're gonna get some pina coladas.
Finding Mike in the wild, dude.
He emerges after a long slumber, only to get some Bloody Marys.
Oh, hold that.
Hey!
How exhausted are you? Exhausted.
We're here in day 3 and Playa Flamingo and
Numero tres.
Numero Tres, as the locals say. We had a very epic night in Tamarindo. Fell in love with some local flavors. We're here with one of the hardest chargers of the week. This man holds the record for number of waves caught and also the most severe case of inside madness. I'm here with Dirk Maverick. Dirk, how are you? How are you feeling about the trip so far?
I feel pretty good.
Feel pretty good.
I feel like if I smoke 4 more packs of cigarettes and shotgun like 6 more beers, I'll be in the right headspace. You know? It's all about the headspace.
And outside Mike, how is it on the outside for you?
Lovely.
Lovely.
I had to make friends with some dolphins. They wanted to take me out to sea, but I told them I couldn't go because I needed to find the Pura Vida in Costa Rica.
Have you found it yet, or are we still searching?
We found it.
We found the Pura Vida.
We found it.
What's on the schedule for today?
We're gonna get Slade out of his hangover. We're gonna drink 8 more marks, and then we're gonna go surf Playa Grande.
That's a beautiful thing. All right. Signing off. We'll see you guys in a bit. Right on the precipice of like hungover. Like if I have one alcoholic drink, I'm gonna be wasted. I think it's gonna happen.